New tonight, we've learned leaders at a St. Paul church are consulting legal counsel after protesters interrupted a Sunday service. And this is video from inside City's church along Summit Avenue, where a pastor also works as an ICE official. Protesters doubled down on their actions today. And new tonight, the White House calls the demonstration horrible and unacceptable, saying the DOJ has launched a full investigation. But when does protesting, protected under the First Amendment, become a crime? Brittany Ehrman is getting answers to that question. She's live right now in St. Paul. Brittany.
Lindsay, just within the last few hours, DHS Secretary Kristi Noem posted on X saying, quote, arrests are coming, but she did not specify any charges. We brought the video to law experts who say this case is more complicated than it seems. New tonight, City's church in St. Paul releasing this statement responding to Sunday's protest, saying, quote, a group of agitators jarringly disrupted our worship gathering. The statement goes on to say protesters accosted members of the congregation, frightened children, and created a scene marked by intimidation and threat. Church leaders are now consulting legal counsel.
When you are fighting for racial justice, equality, and civil rights, there's a large contingency within our population that does not want to hear the truth.
Civil rights attorney Nikema Levy Armstrong, who helped organize the protest, says she wanted to talk with church leaders about the impact of ICE operations in Minnesota. One of the pastors is an official with the agency.
The gospel that I believe in, the foundation, says that we are to love our neighbor as we love ourselves.
Hamline University law professor David Schultz reviewed the video through a legal lens.
It clearly interrupted a church service, but it doesn't, at least from what I've been able to see, it didn't look like it was violent at that point.
Schultz says the FACE Act could be examined. The law protects access to clinic entrances for reproductive services, but it also prohibits using force, obstruction, or intimidation to interfere with the church service.
Was this a violation of the FACE Act? Was there an intent to try to use some type of force, some type of intimidation to prevent a church service from going on? And depending on the level of activity, that determines whether or not this could be a criminal act or a civil act under federal law.
It sounds like it's not black and white, and we have to let this investigation play out.
Absolutely correct. For anybody to immediately reach the conclusion and say this is criminal, this is a violation of the law, it's a little premature.
And law experts say potential consequences could include fines or, in more serious cases, years in prison if convicted. Live in St. Paul tonight, Brittany Ehrman, 5 Eyewitness News.